Ever wished you could tap into your Venmo balance to snag that must-have item on Amazon without reaching for your wallet? Well, get ready to unleash the full potential of your Venmo funds for your Amazon shopping sprees today. We're diving deep into the clever ways you can use Venmo for Amazon purchases, even if you don't have a physical card to link. The most straightforward method involves a prepaid Visa or MasterCard debit card that you can purchase with your Venmo balance. Once you have this card, you can then add it as a payment method to your Amazon account, just like any other debit or credit card. To get this card, simply open your Venmo app and look for the option to order a physical Venmo card. You'll typically need to verify your identity, and then the card will be mailed to you. Once your Venmo debit card arrives, head over to Amazon.com, navigate to your account settings, and find the payment options or wallet section. Here, you'll add your Venmo debit card details, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code, just like you would for any other card. Now, the magic happens at checkout when you're ready to make your Amazon purchase. Simply select your Venmo card as your payment method. Your Venmo balance will be used to cover the cost. This workaround effectively bridges the gap, letting your Venmo funds flow directly into your Amazon purchases, offering a truly card-free experience for your online shopping. So there you have it, why Euro, a flexible and savvy way to pay with Venmo on Amazon without a physical card. Happy shopping!